to assign a legend, and we are going to see the bars on label. So here we will assign this, we will edit this legend into change the name or text, and we want to see the labels here. So for that we will copy the same from here, and first we will put the legend, how we are going to look at the legend. So we need to put the legend here, and we will title. For title we can use any, let's see, you use sex, and for that after let's say title font size 12, for 12, yes, and for the font size inside it, so for that also 12. So here is changed now. So after that let's copy the same, this one. After it we need to see the labels, so that's what the most important part comes in. So after the legend we need to assign AX here in order to apply a for loop on this. So now we'll assign a for loop, and for loop we just need to get the X coordinates and then the length, the height and the width. So it will automatically grab the values and put it. For X dot, you can say for P in X dot patches, so let's say you want to look at the, first we need to get the text, and for text we need to first p dot get, and for p dot get we need to get the X. So it will get the X, and after getting the X we need to also p dot get height. So it will get the, let's say first we need to get the width. So it will get the width, and we will divide it by 2, and we can, let's say, the dot and comma, and now we need to get the height, and for height we will sign it and we'll use +1. So after that we need to put numbers, the values, in order to put the spaces in proper places. We will use 0f, yes, and after that we will format the height. We will format the height and the width. So for format we will use get, you can say p get width, yeah, for width, and after width we can think there we need to get the height in order to assign the labels. So for height we will put the brackets, and after putting the brackets we need to also give it a label. We can say for where we want to adjust it, so we need in the center. So that, and yes, we can also assign a font size. So for font size we can say let's keep it a small. So that's how the for loop will work. Now we will just put our AX, we will set it up. So we will set, first we will set while limit, and after setting while limit we need to assign a number. So we'll assign 0. For 0 we can AX dot, we will first get the while limit, and after getting the while limit we will get while limit and numbers. So we'll open the brackets, and after that we can say we'll put 1 to 5. We can also change the numbers, but we'll do that. So now after we will set the legend, we can say we'll set it into tight layout. So plt dot tight layout. So now we will look how what we are getting here. Okay, so it's showing an error here. Okay, it's already displaying, but I think there is an error. Ax dot get ax dot set and 0 ax x minus get. Okay, minus y limit. I think we don't need that here. We need only, I think I just put it under, so yeah, that's fine now. So here we are seeing this here. So here we are seeing the label there, but there's one problem. I think we are seeing 0 here. So why is that? Because it's already a label. So I think we need to assign for loop here. I think for loop will work. So let's say if you want to put a for loop here, and we use for loop to p.get, and we'll give the height into, you can say, get height. First it will get the height, and after getting the height it will, you can say, greater than 0. So when greater than 0 it will print it. Okay, so let's put that here. So now I think the 0 is not showing, so now it's fine now. So that's how we are going to draw a simple for loop, and we can select the labels based on the specific. We can assign specific loops. So if we don't want to use the height, we can remove that, but it will just throw an error at the 0. You can also don't need that because we also link the label here. So that's how we can draw the labels based on the specific numbers, and here it's exceeding, so it's put 319. So that's how we are going to do it.